we're asked for the derivative of s with respect to t using this notation. This right here says take the function of s, the function for s, and take a derivative with respect to r. So the 3 comes down and multiplies, so it cancels out the 3 in the denominator. So that's 4 pi r squared, and that's with respect to r, so we don't have to worry about implicit differentiation or anything weird like that. And then we're supposed to multiply that by the derivative of r with respect to t. So we just need to take a derivative of this one. That's our s prime, sorry. The derivative of r is going to be, this is t plus 1 to the negative second power. So the negative 2 comes down and multiplies. Then the power gets reduced by 1. Instead of negative 2, now it's a negative 3 power. And then the derivative of a constant's nothing. So in other words, this is negative 2 over t plus 1 to the third. So the derivative they're looking for is just multiplying this ds dr, which we got there, times dr dt times this. But they want it with respect to t. Okay, so if we were to just plug everything in straight into the formula, this is 4 pi r squared. That's the first number that's multiplying. And then times negative 2 over t plus 1 to the third. And then if we want everything with respect to t, we just have to replace r with what it is with respect to t. So an equivalent way of writing this is that r is 1 over t plus 1 squared minus 1 over 15. That's r squared. And then we multiply that by the derivative of r with respect to t that we found. I don't see any easy way of making that simpler, so I think that's everything they're looking for in part A. And for part B, you're just supposed to plug in t equals 1 in here. So 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 squared is 4, so that's 1/4. It says round to decimals, that's good. So 1/4 is 0.25. I don't know what 1/15 is. So 0.25 subtracted by that answer, we need to square it, then multiply by pi, then by 4. So here's what I've got so far. Then I'm going to multiply that by this. So that's 2 to the third. So that's going to be negative 1/4 over there. So I got negative 0.1056 when I plugged in t equals 1 into the derivative. So this is strange. I reviewed WebAssign's answer, and they actually preferred this format. Even though this is entirely in terms of t, they want it like this, the first way, so the easier way to type it.